Hey guys, let's go feed the crows and magpies. Look, Peach is in position. There's little Peach. He's really molting too. He's like a bald eagle. There's Pie. He's mumbling. There's Spice flying in. Maple and Cherry. Let's give him some food. I dumped some in there. Come and eat. Yeah, come and eat. Cherry, come and eat. Come on, Cherry. Cherry's working his way down. Yeah, it's each for their own when there's food involved. You gotta get in there and eat. Come on, Cherry. Might be scared of Cassie, the guard pup. You gotta eat, Cherry, come on. He's picking over there in the corner. Yeah, guys, it's getting really cool at night. Last night was -8 Celsius. That's about 18 Fahrenheit. It was really chilly. But no snow yet. Tonight, -3. That's not bad. And right now, it's +4. That's about 40 Fahrenheit, and there's a bit of breeze, so it's kind of chilly. But the birds can handle this, no problem. Jerry, come and eat. There's Kulika way down there in the garden. Still going at it. We'll do another update video on her garden in the next video. She's planting some raspberries. Yeah, on the next video on the other channel, guys, Our Dream Homestead. We'll do an update there. If you didn't know about that channel, the link will be below here in the description to Our Dream Homestead. Go there and please subscribe. You can see more things going on. There's Cherry. Yeah, good bird. They all have very good appetites. Yeah, winter's coming. Can't hold it back. Sounds like a blue jay. Or they're gray colored here, like gray jays. Had to chop some more firewood. Well, I didn't have to chop it. I just split it a bit and then made some kindling too. We have a huge supply. That's Maple. We have a huge supply, so no problem with that. I just like to make a little bit of kindling. There's the guard pup. Guard dog, German Shepherd. And Kulika's mom, she's stable right now. Thanks for your well wishes. And she's not in any acute situation, they're saying, so they might be moving her to another facility. She needs more time to heal though. She needs a few more weeks. Yeah, we just got to be patient, and we know she's being very patient. So thanks for your well wishes. Yeah, dig in, birdies. Yeah. Hello. Hi, little Pie. Pie, say hello. Say Peach. That's Spice. It's hard to tell them apart. It's right sometimes. Pie isn't as shy as Spice is. Pie! Little Pie. You heard him in the last video there, he was talking away. That's kind of crispy today, +4, 40 Fahrenheit. We got the house nice and warm. Got a fire brewing there. Nice and cozy. And the birds will be coming in. One of these times we will show the setup there. But just haven't got around to it yet. And it's nothing glamorous. We're looking to get some different cages in there. Not fancy cages or nothing, just something better suited. Ooh, a breeze. Yeah, just wanted to show you the crows and magpies, guys, in their outdoor aviary, and we'll keep bringing them out here as long as we can, and as long as it's sunny, and it doesn't have to be that warm. They can handle this. That's not bad. When it's really cold, they'll stay in. Just on nice sunny days in the winter, we'll bring them out. But we'll see. How cold does it get up here? If it's 40 below, that's too cold. I imagine there will be some cold snaps coming. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you're new here, please subscribe. Don't forget to check that link to the Our Dream Homestead channel. And Maida's doing pretty good, guys, so thanks again for your well wishes.